A man in Kitui town who could not be identified immediately, as he does not come from the area, was found gulping grass and green leaves by traders and shoppers at around 10 a.m. on Friday. A large crowd immediately gathered to witness the bizarre scene, with some claiming that he had been bewitched. They alleged that the man had earlier denied stealing 4,000 shillings from his boss's house and that the master had warned him of facing dire consequences if he was culpable.
Alifanya kazi kwa mzee mwingine anaitwa Meo na akachukua pesa yake 4,000 na akuchukua akaulizwa pesa ziko wapi akasema hajui na huyo mzee akamwambia aende akaenda.
It seems the master made good his threat, as it is only viable as the man who did not utter a word kept munching on leaves non-stop. He was later taken to Kitui police station, and by the time of going on air, his alleged master had not come to reverse the spell, despite being summoned by the police.